This one's on the Jat reservation issue. We're getting breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court has issued notice to the government on a petition challenging the central government's decision to include the Jat community in the OBC for central government jobs. The petition says that Jats are not a weaker section of society and OBC Commission didn't recommend for their reservation. The central government will have to reply by the 9th of April. That is the next date of hearing. Jaskira, this was a very clear election move by the Congress-led UPA, providing a reservation to the Jat community, which is believed to have been alienated, with the events over the last few months and years, and therefore this was seen as a very brazen poll move by the Congress-led UPA, and now it could be on hold. A notice has been issued to the centre.
Absolutely. Now, whether or not it's on hold will be a big question, considering that the next date of response is right bang in the middle of the polls actually taking place and a day ahead of the Delhi NCR polls also. But we're given to understand that in any case, it is a very contentious issue, even when the cabinet had passed this approval, given its approval on this particular decision. Whether the Supreme Court will actually put a stay on that, but they have found enough merit in this particular petition to seek a response from the government. Understanding the manner in which the Supreme Court works, it perhaps could possibly put only a stay for the time being while discussing the merit of the government's decision. But any decision, final decision, it's a wait and watch whether or not they will be able to take it before the elections actually pick up pace.
Thanks, Jaskira, for getting us the very latest on that breaking news. This is definitely a setback to the government, even though a notice has only been issued to the government, and it will have to revert with a response in over the next 1 week to explain what this really was about. Also, the views of the OBC Commission will be taken into account, which apparently did not recommend reservation for the Jat community. The petition also says that the Jats are not a weaker section of society, which has been the argument against what was seen as a brazen election-sensitive move by the Congress-led UPA. Thanks, Jaskira, for getting us perspective on that story.